Every day, millions of cells in your body die and are replaced. Cuts heal, tissues repair, and organs maintain themselves. But have you ever wondered how your body manages to rebuild itself again and again? The answer lies in a special type of cell with an extraordinary ability. These are called stem cells, often known as the body's natural repair system. Without them, healing would slow down, tissues would fail, and recovery from injuries would become nearly impossible. So what exactly are stem cells? Stem cells are unique cells in the body that have two powerful abilities. First, they can self-renew, meaning they can make copies of themselves. Second, they can differentiate, which means they can transform into different types of specialized cells, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, or blood cells. This makes stem cells different from other cells, which usually have only one specific function. There are different types of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are found in early-stage embryos and have the ability to become almost any type of cell in the body. Because of this, they are considered highly versatile. On the other hand, adult stem cells are found in specific tissues, such as bone marrow. These cells are more limited, but still play a crucial role in maintaining and repairing tissues. For example, stem cells in the bone marrow continuously produce new blood cells throughout your life. Stem cells are essential for growth and healing. When you get injured, stem cells are activated and begin to divide and transform into the cells needed to repair the damaged area. For instance, if you cut your skin, stem cells help generate new skin cells to close the wound. Similarly, in muscles and bones, stem cells assist in recovery after injury or stress. The concept of stem cells began to develop in the 20th century as scientists started to understand how cells specialize and regenerate. Over time, research in stem cell biology has opened new possibilities in medicine, especially in the field of regenerative medicine. However, when this repair system does not function properly, problems can arise. If stem cells fail to produce enough healthy cells, it can lead to conditions like blood disorders or degenerative diseases. In some cases, abnormal stem cell behavior can also contribute to diseases such as cancer, where cells grow uncontrollably. Today, stem cells are at the center of some of the most advanced medical research. Scientists are exploring ways to use stem cells to repair damaged tissues, treat spinal cord injuries, and even regenerate organs. This field is known as regenerative medicine, and it has the potential to transform healthcare. Modern technology is pushing this even further. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are now being used to study how stem cells behave, predict how they will develop, and improve treatment outcomes. AI can analyze complex biological data to help scientists understand how to guide stem cells more effectively for therapies. Stem cells represent one of the most powerful systems within the human body. They are the reason your body can grow, heal, and maintain itself over time. Understanding how stem cells work not only reveals how the body repairs itself, but also opens the door to future medical breakthroughs that could change the way we treat diseases and injuries forever.